Hey everybody, I wanted to give you a review of the Revlon hair dryer and styler brush. That's what the box looks like. And this is what it looks like. And I've already used it several times and my hair is wet. I just got out of the shower and I kind of brushed it all out. Definitely want to brush it out. You don't want it to be soaking wet. You want it to be kind of just damp, dried up. And anyway, I just wanted to show y'all this stuff, the brush. It really does work. So I was going to give you a review real quick so that you can see for yourself and see what you thought. Here we go. Okay, so I'm just going to do half my hair, and I did it really quick. I know I'm supposed to section it all out, but I really don't have the patience for all that. So this is just like literally like 2 minutes. It could be a lot better. I just wanted to show you real quick though that it does work. And then usually I will braid it, and then the next day I will, depending on what I feel like, I will either curl it or I will straighten it. It just depends on how I feel in the morning. So it does work. It's pretty awesome. It's got a cool feature, a low and a high. That was on high, and it works great for little kids. I do it for my daughter. It does get a little hot, but if you hold it right there, it doesn't. So it just gets hot right there, but it does work. So anyway, if you're looking for a hair dryer brush and you don't want to spend $300, because that's how one of them is, I would definitely recommend it. And yeah, it's pretty awesome. So Revlon and Ulta has it for $49.99, and right now they have a 20% off coupon. So it's a really good time to go try it and get it. And if you don't like it, Ulta, you can just keep your receipt and exchange it. But it does work. Look at that. And that was just a quick buzz, like I could do a whole lot better. I just wanted to show you real fast that it does, in fact,